Hello YouTube, this is Lewis with Rosebud's Travels, and I just wanted to point out that you can see the amber light on the front of our Casita, and the amber light lens is an option when you pick up your Casita at the Casita plant. The amber lights don't attract bugs as much as the white one, and we decided we wanted the amber light on the front and we wanted the amber light on the porch right by the door. So this is something you can do for free. They do not charge for this. You basically just ask them for the amber lens and they swap out the clear lens for the amber lens, and then you have a lens that doesn't attract bugs. So this is just to let you know that that is an option when you pick up your Casita at the Casita plant. See you in the next video.